Omukibuga kya RDC wa Kasese abarukwetomba itabo kuburwitaka nibarra okumara hata amajingo g'emyezi 3 abaturage 35 batwire bakambikiraho nibenda oburinganiza omu nshongano y'emihondano y'ebyamataka baretera amagara gabo okutagatagurwa. Omukyaro mukicho mwishengero lihanga habwa abakyara ba district ya Kasese Honorable Florence Kabuo yagezeho okutayayira abantu abo okurikereza okurura kwabo konka yazibirwa abebyo kwerinda ababasindikirwe aharukutahiramu mu kibuga omwo kandi no byashitama aheru ya gate arinzire byona byasigara biriye byabusha.
Come down to the ground and listen to the plight of the people. We are not asking for much. Don't listen to the people who are in the comfort of their offices. Come down to the locals and listen to them. We shouldn't be treated like as if you are not Ugandans. And the issue of the boundary has become so very big that people are being chased from here and there.
Esabiti ehoire urukiko rw'ebyo kwerinda rwa district ejo rwebembirwe RDC wa Kasese Lieutenant Joe Walusimbi rukaragira abo bantu okwamuka omwanya ogwo barukoreka enshonga eyebyo buyonjo nebyo kwerinda kuzakajegejege oteireho enshonga y'ebyamagara okubaharutezyo konka bo batera katima bayangira cyarumwe nibagira ngutubeineho na ahibarukuza
tulhanu tubona nyowe kimbaire nisaba President Museveni amaze magali arolemu abanyabindi ambere twahaka twabona kandi nasemera mali atugarura amataka gaitu beisenkuru yitu bakathereza bakafwera amataka abandi bakalibwe bisoro mbisako habwentara bwo kuhanganguka neito tulmukufwera hano
ati benjiyo murubo bajemeserezibwo kubyamahangu do mu rurembo rwa Kasese ekibateire ahakangaratete ko kushekerwa enjara obufuki hamwe n'obutamanye kirukurataho. State Minister webyakanyabwenje no kuhaburihanga Godfrey Kabyanga yashaba aba okuratera obuhabuzibwa bibyo kwerinda obo government yerukora hanshonga zabo.
Yes, they have been there for some time now. They have shown cause why they should be, why the issues should be fast-tracked and discussed. So I think the only appeal I can make to them is that they go home as their issues are being handled.
Oguya bizisyangu enshonga z'ebyamataka n'enshonga ezitakabasa kuhenderwa mu izoba rumwe. Konka abaturage aba buri izoba erukurabaho bateine buraro ebyo kurya ningo kumanya ekirukurataho nyencyakare cyabanyangarize. Okushaba kwabo nukumwe konka ngo government yabase kubaha amatu kurikiriza enshonga zabo na no kubatungira obubyamo.
Twarwa mu kampu enakuya Twitter hano tulmukufwera hano tukuliya tukunyi tutukurora nekigenda maiso hatwikareke hano tubona argud hano ambe twemerie twajwaha katugaruke mbyaro taratulwa kwitirwa yena kutwitirwe yena kwabo kabesenkuru yitu abafwira bagwa mbisaka.
Emyezi mike eyitira amabega omusinga wa Rwenzururu Charles Wesley Mumbere ahabwire government ngu enshonga zitaka ezikwate nk'ekyatika n'oburinganiza okubasa kumara emihondano nkeji oguma mu kyange ekyo.
Situyanze disaster eyabyaho omukiro mu kishungu 2016 ekasesa tubya kwa Kasese kwa government y'amatwo mu deciding it because say force definitely abantu bakashipwa. You cannot stand that again.